Are you tired of scooping your cat's litter box every single day? In today's video, we are talking about the best self-cleaning litter box options that will keep your home fresh and your cat happy with minimal effort. All the product links are in the description below, so check them out and let's get started with the video. Starting off with the Fumoi self-cleaning litter box, this is the ultimate solution for cat parents who want a cleaner, more stress-free home. This large, automated litter box is perfect for single or multi-cat households thanks to its impressive 95-liter litter drum capacity and a generous 15-liter sealed waste compartment, meaning less frequent emptying and more convenience, even when you are away on a trip. One of its standout features is the advanced safety protection with infrared motion sensors that immediately pause the cleaning cycle whenever your cat enters, keeping your furry friend safe and giving you peace of mind. The smart app integration makes life even easier by letting you control the auto-cleaning cycles, schedule waste disposal, and receive real-time alerts right from your phone. Plus, it is Wi-Fi compatible with a 2.4G network, so you are always connected. Cleaning up is hassle-free thanks to the leak-proof edges, removable waste tray, and washable liner that can be reused, saving you money in the long run. Another thoughtful touch is the quiet night mode, which ensures low-noise operation, ideal for light sleepers or homes with playful nocturnal pets. It works best for cats weighing over 2.6 pounds, so it is great for most adult cats. If you are tired of scooping litter manually and want a hygienic, odor-controlled home with minimal effort, the Fumoi self-cleaning litter box is a game-changer you will absolutely love. Next up is the PetPivot self-cleaning cat litter box, a smart choice for pet parents who want both comfort for their cats and convenience for themselves. This large open-top litter box features a spacious 16.33 by 15.35-inch entrance, giving your cat plenty of room to move in and out easily, making it especially great for larger breeds or picky cats who do not like enclosed spaces. The open-top design also helps with ventilation, which can reduce lingering odors and create a fresher environment for your home. One of its biggest highlights is its advanced multi-layered safety system, equipped with 4 infrared sensors and 3 Hall effect sensors that actively detect your cat's presence. This ensures the cleaning cycle automatically pauses if your cat enters, preventing accidents and keeping your furry friend safe. The PetPivot also offers a large 10-liter waste bin, allowing for days of use before you need to empty it, perfect for busy owners or anyone who prefers fewer maintenance tasks. Despite its automatic function, it operates quietly at less than 32 decibels, so you and your cat can enjoy a peaceful, stress-free atmosphere even at night. What makes this litter box even better is its plug-and-play setup, requiring no Wi-Fi or app, making it incredibly easy to get started. Cleaning and maintenance are hassle-free thanks to its quick-release design, which allows you to disassemble it in just 3 steps, and the smooth open-top interior makes wiping it down quick and simple without having to fully take it apart. With its thoughtful design and whisper-quiet performance, the PetPivot self-cleaning cat litter box is an excellent option for households seeking a low-maintenance yet cat-friendly solution. At number 3, we have the Cumrige self-cleaning litter box, designed with both cat safety and owner convenience in mind. This modern, large-size litter box uses advanced sensors to detect when your cat is inside, pausing the cleaning cycle to keep them safe and undisturbed. It is perfect for cat owners who worry about their pets during automatic cleaning, giving peace of mind that your furry companion is always secure. The Cumrige features a massive 95-liter litter drum and a 15-liter waste bin that can last up to 15 days, which is ideal for busy schedules or even when you are away on a trip. It is compatible with clumping litter types and works for cats ranging from 2.2 pounds to a large 33 pounds, making it a versatile choice for multi-cat households. One of its biggest highlights is its whisper-quiet operation, which ensures your home remains peaceful even if your cat visits during the night. Another major advantage is its effortless cleanup and strong odor control system. Its deodorizing design prevents leaks and keeps unpleasant smells from spreading, ensuring your living space stays fresh. The Cumrige also integrates smart features with the Tuya Smart app, allowing you to remotely manage automatic cleaning cycles, one-touch waste disposal, litter changes, and even monitor your cat's health data. Real-time alerts let you know when the waste bin is full or if there are any irregularities, and it is compatible with 2.4G Wi-Fi for a stable connection.
With its combination of safety, efficiency, and smart technology, the Cumrige self-cleaning litter box is an excellent choice for pet owners looking for a low-maintenance, reliable, and hygienic litter box solution. Coming in at number 4, the Mintakawa automatic cat litter box is a fantastic choice for households with kittens or medium-sized cats. Its extra-large design ensures your cats have plenty of space, making it perfect for single or multi-cat homes. This litter box stands out with its whisper-quiet operation, running at under 35 decibels, which is as quiet as a soft whisper or humming refrigerator. This means your furry friend can use it any time of day or night without disturbing your peace. One of the best features of the Mintakawa is its smart connectivity. With support for 2.4G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it pairs with its companion smartphone app so you can track your cat's weight, monitor litter box visits, and even keep tabs on toilet duration in real time, an excellent tool for pet owners who want to stay ahead of their cat's health. When it comes to cleaning, Mintakawa keeps things simple and practical. The drum can be lifted out completely for a fast and easy wash, and since it is fully water washable, you can keep your cat's space sanitary and fresh with minimal effort. The box does require about 90 minutes for assembly, but clear instructions and a helpful video guide are available to make the process smooth. For those who prefer an out-of-the-box experience, a pre-assembled version is also available in their store. Combining quiet performance, health monitoring, and easy maintenance, the Mintakawa automatic cat litter box is an excellent choice for owners who want both convenience and peace of mind while keeping their home clean and odor-free.
Finally, at number 5, we have the Paruuntys self-cleaning litter box, an excellent option for cat owners who want a combination of comfort, safety, and convenience. This large, open-top litter box is designed with a generous 16.5 by 16.5-inch entrance, giving your cat plenty of space to enter and exit freely without feeling trapped. The open design not only boosts comfort, but also improves ventilation, making the litter box a more inviting space for your furry friend. Safety is a top priority here, and Paruuntys delivers with 7 advanced sensors, 4 weight-activated sensors, and 3 high-precision infrared detectors that instantly pause the cleaning cycle at the slightest sign of your cat's presence or movement. This dual-layer detection system ensures zero risk of accidental operation, keeping your cat secure at all times. The 10.5-liter sealed waste bin locks in odors and allows for multiple days of use before needing to be emptied, which is perfect for busy schedules or short trips away from home. The Smart App control lets you manage cleaning cycles, schedule one-tap waste disposal, and track litter usage trends remotely, with real-time alerts when the waste bin is full. Built with reinforced leak-proof edges, a removable waste tray, and a washable liner, it is easy to clean and reuse, helping reduce waste and long-term costs.